Hey guys, what's up? So Stephanie and I are out here in New York, as you may or may not know, and I decided to still do 1 or 2 little vlogs while I'm outside of Trinidad just to keep things going. It's absolutely freezing. As you can see, we're dressed like soldiers in the Russian army.
Yeah.
But today we're going to the, let me make sure I say it right,
One Vanderbilt.
One Vanderbilt, which the summit one they call it. Basically, this is one of many observation decks that you can go to in very high buildings in New York where you can see the entire city. This is the most recent one, and it has some really awesome views, lots of art exhibits and that kind of stuff in it. So we're very excited. It's very new. I think it was built within the last like 6 to 8 months.
Yep.
And we're gonna go and check it out and film whatever it is we see. We have no idea what to expect, but it's pretty cool. So come along with us, guys. Babe, you ready?
Yes.
Alright guys, so we think we may have found the entrance yet. We got some confusing directions, but pretty much I believe we're going to enter these doors that I'm going to show you now. And the guy said to take the stairs, not the escalator. So we're just going to film it, and so hopefully you have a guide as to where to go when you do come. Let's check it out. So we're inside a little part here where there's a security section, and pretty much we're just waiting to be allowed to go through. It's super busy, and I'm not too sure if I'm supposed to film or not, so I'm just taking my time.
How are you guys? Are you guys excited?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool screen.
Welcome to the summit. Please exit to your right.
But he's on if you want to take it over. So should I tell her?
So we're at a point now where Steph's got to put on special stuff over her shoes, and sunglasses are optional for a certain part of the attraction.
your photo.
So there's a scanning part here where they take a facial recognition picture, I guess for security purposes. And here's Steph going now.
I'm gonna move it closer. Come in a little bit closer. Perfect. You're gonna look right up here. Hold still. Gonna take your photo. So upstairs, you're gonna see a room called Unity. So you scan your wristbands and you see your face in a cloud form.
Okay.
Yeah.
Upstairs, you'll be able to see a whole slice of your
This is just preliminary now. This is like, but you look at the walls.
This isn't trippy at all.
No, this is not it yet. Look at the mirrors.
Alright, my girls, is everyone here okay with flashing light and sound?
Yeah.
Awesome, enjoy your ride.
So the will be on the window or something like that. They will show preliminary.
Oh gosh.
It's 18 years.
You take like small videos.
I would love to explore the map as it's set up in China.
Really? Alright guys, so we're on floor 1 right now, and it's a room just built like mirrors on the ceilings, mirrors on the sides, mirrors everywhere
On the floor.
on the floor, but you also get an amazing view of the city all around. So I'm gonna check it out now and show everybody. So we're on another floor now where they have a design that's laid out, and you're not allowed to touch it. It's more for viewing, but it's just sticking with the theme of very futuristic stuff. A lot of reflection going on, mirrors, reflective items and that kind of stuff. I keep tripping in my shoes. So the next room is the Affinity Air room. Affinity Air, is that correct? Affinity Air. And this room, we get to kick around a bunch of helium balloons. So we just come from the last two insane decks. I think Stephanie's having like a sensory overload at this point in time. But we're going to the observation deck 3 now. I think it's just a higher view of the city.
I think we're going to 2.
Or maybe it's 2. I don't know. I've lost track of things, but we're going. Right, let's go. Well, baby. Those shades. It is super bright, super bright. This thing.
That's so funny. We were looking up and I can see reflections too, actually.
The views up there are absolutely outrageous, and the artistic side of it is also really cool. If you're somebody who's overwhelmed or easily stimulated by a lot of action and music and crazy art stuff going on, be careful when you're coming here, because God knows there's a lot going on. Stephanie agrees.
Yeah.
But it is really cool, and it's a different twist on the observation deck style stuff of New York. So I'm really glad I did come here, and the views are outrageous. I don't know if you noticed my $15 shades I bought in Target, but putting that aside, I'm also terribly afraid of heights. So I'm scared to go too near to some of the edges. So Stephanie's pretty much laughing at me as I step my foot there. I literally feel like everywhere I walk that I'm gonna fall through the ground and fall to my death. It's giving me a lot of anxiety. Steph is standing. Ooh. I hate heights. I hate it. So at this point we're just thoroughly confused as to where we are, but we're on a level called Unity Air now. It's a lot more reflections and different stuff, but there is this big cloud thing here. I think if we look into it, we see our faces or something.
Something like that.
Okay guys, so Stephanie has gone outside to scan her barcode, and we're gonna see if we can find her face when she comes back in. Alright guys, can we spot Stephanie? Dave, can you recognize you? Alright guys, well that was crazy and one hell of a ride to say the least. I highly recommend it.
Yeah.
Definitely a lot of stimulation. So maybe just come with you and one other person. Young kids would enjoy it. I would not recommend if you have like little babies or newborns. It might be a lot going on. My cheap shades are falling in my face. But anyway, it was really cool. The views are epic. Try and book in advance online. You can save yourself some money, as well as try and come on days maybe where you could avoid as much of the crowds as possible. Any time of day is cool. Maybe sunset would have been better, but we came at like
there's nothing left.
Yeah,
sunset.
it was sold out at sunset, so we came at like midday on a beautiful day as well, and it's mad bright during the day
and very hot.
Very hot. So if it's cold outside but you come here on a bright sunny day, you're gonna get real hot, so you'll have to be carrying around your jacket, as well as you're gonna need shades. Like it's like suns reflecting in mirrors into your eyes, so it's super bright. Crazy experience, but very modern, very exciting. So yeah, other than that, babe, you had a good time?
Good. Yeah, it was good.
It was good. It was good.
It was fun. It was different.
Yeah, well, you guys have a great week. This is maybe one or two videos we're gonna make while we're in New York, and then it's back to Trinidad and beaches. But peace out. Thank you very much, Steph.
Bye guys.